We're on strike here because the company unilaterally has introduced cuts in wages and conditions, and this is for the third time in so many years. We are worried that even though we have been prepared in the past to make sacrifices, that we'll be asked to make continuous sacrifices going forward, because we're only too aware that the next year there'll be another 4.3 million cut in subvention. We are hopeful that that there will be some sort of an intervention so we can get round the table in order that we can end this as quickly as possible. The thing that is stopping us at this particular moment in time is that the company have a mindset by which they are not prepared to compromise. So we're all greatly concerned that if we were called in prematurely by the Labour Court or whatever, that we would end up not getting a resolution of the dispute, and that the strike would continue into the next week, and that would not be good for us, wouldn't be good for our customers, and ultimately wouldn't be good for Dublin Bus Corporate.